Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma prototypes on your phone. First, ensure you have the Figma mobile app installed on your device, available for both iOS and Android. Next, log into the app using your Figma account. It is crucial that your design file is open in the desktop Figma application. Finally, connect both your phone and computer to the same Wi-Fi network to enable the live preview feature. This setup takes less than 1 minute. Once your setup is complete, open the Figma mobile app and select the prototype you wish to view. The app will automatically mirror your desktop canvas, providing a live preview directly on your phone screen. You can interact with your design just as a user would, tapping and swiping through flows. Any changes you make on your computer, such as adjusting a button's color or text, will appear instantly on your phone, offering immediate feedback for your design iterations. To share your prototype with others for testing, generate a shareable link directly from the desktop Figma application. You can then send this link to your testers through email, messaging apps, or any preferred communication channel. Testers can open the link on their mobile browser or within the Figma app itself, experiencing the prototype as if it were a native application. This method allows for widespread testing and gathering valuable feedback from a diverse group of users, regardless of their location. When designing for mobile, always consider standard screen dimensions and resolutions. Use appropriate font sizes, generally 16 pixels or larger for body text, to ensure readability on smaller screens. Crucially, make sure your interactive elements, like buttons, have touch targets of at least 44 by 44 pixels for easy interaction. Finally, test your prototype on a variety of mobile devices, including different operating systems and screen sizes, to ensure a consistent and responsive user experience across all platforms. This attention to detail significantly enhances usability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.